Welcome to Zillow's 3D Home onboarding. Today, what we will learn why rich media matters, in addition to 3D Home benefits. First, let's talk a little bit about the market. Today, the middle of the market isn't being served with respect to immersive technologies and 3D home tour listings. It's usually reserved for luxury and high-end homes. What Zillow has done is created a tool that you can use with your existing iPhone that will enable you to create immersive experiences on your listings for buyers for free. Why is this important? Well, let's look at some of the data. Millennials are leading in home buying. 42% of new home buyers are millennials. So that's a big deal. Gen Xers and millennials shop via mobile devices. 46% of Gen Xers and almost 60% of millennials have found their home via mobile device. So the expectation is digital experiences and increasingly immersive digital experiences. And that's what 3D Home enables you to do. In addition to millennials carry their smartphones and devices around and interact with them more than humans. And to top it off, 77% of Americans would like to take virtual reality house tours before actually visiting prospective homes, which means we're all busy and we like to make really great decisions before investing time to travel and go view a home. Now, when we think about that from a real estate perspective and an opportunity, real estate is a huge $52 billion industry, and the ability to showcase homes in immersive and unique ways is just common sense. You could make the argument that it's table stakes today. Millennials involved in these transactions really do expect this service to be made available to them. So what is 3D Home? It's a new type of listing content available exclusively on Zillow, an immersive virtual tour, and it helps buyers make their next decisions, whether that be triaging in or triaging out. It's also important to note that it's completely free for any agent to use or any photographer to use on any listing, even to homeowners. And it's captured with your existing iPhone with an app that you can download from the App Store. So there are no hardware requirements or specialized software requirements in order to use this technology. So how does 3D Home help you stand out? For buyers, it gets you more exposure. It creates a better experience and a more immersive shopping experience. And it enables you to showcase your home beautifully at any price point. For sellers, it's about winning more listings and demonstrating results, impressing sellers with a new way to market their home and provide more value without impacting the bottom line. Because once again, there are no out-of-pocket costs to use your iPhone nor download the app. So key takeaways: incorporating 3D Home into your existing listings package will help you stand out to sellers, whether you're an agent or a photographer. All you need is an iPhone with the Zillow 3D Home app to get started. And 3D Home is a simple, fast way to start driving results for you and for your client.